Oh, hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in.
Hello, my positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I have been doing a 30-day Law of Attraction course for beginners, for you. If you find the Law of Attraction fascinating, click that thumbs up button. Show a little bit of love. Also, leave a comment below real quick and let me know how much experience you actually have with the Law of Attraction. Inquiring minds would like to know. Okay, so each video in this crash course flows nicely into the next video, just like a continuous lesson or course. Today is day 13, so click here to start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes, just to be mindful of your time. Okay, so allow me to quickly mention the course workbook. It's a free resource and there's a link below so that you can print it out and follow along for the rest of the month. For a quick recap of all the videos, click on the link below in the description as well. I don't want to spend more time on that here. Okay, here we are. We are on the second step in our thought loop, on the step called feel. Okay, so here we have it, step called feelings or feel. I want to start today with something that may feel a little bit strange. When we were little kids in kindergarten, our teacher did lessons with us that focused on learning about our emotions. The purpose of this was twofold. First, the teacher wanted us to become good citizens who care about other people. People who understand the way that we treat people makes them feel a certain way, either good or bad, and that matters. The lesson was to show us that feeling good is desirable, hence we should treat others that way too. Okay, the second reason that the teacher did this was to make sure that us as little kids, that we understood the difference and knew the difference between the different feelings and emotions. The teacher was making sure that we know that happy and excited, what it feels like butterflies in our tummies, our cheeks feel flushed, a smile comes across our face, things like that. On the other flip side, angry or other negative emotions feel different. They feel like a knot in our stomach. We have sweaty palms and other kinds of characteristics. I want you to remember all of this as you will be conjuring up as many good feelings as possible in the coming lessons. So I want you to really recognize when you are feeling badly, harness that energy so that you can turn it into something useful and good. This is called transmutation of energy. It is one of the universal laws. I have a video on this as well. The links are in the description. There are 2 videos and they are both very useful, but if you don't have time, that's okay. You don't need to watch them, it just would be helpful. So a quick disclaimer I want you to realize is that all emotions serve a purpose. Emotions communicate to us. Never ignore your emotions. Never just bury them. When you feel something, feel it, validate it, consider the source and the problem, and then solve it. Work to solve it. Never stew or brew or fester in it. You're an adult and you want to feel good, so feel it and move forward. Okay, so here's a quick practice. Think of the thing that you want to manifest. I believe it was on day 8 that I asked you to decide what you want to manifest first. Okay, bring this thing into your mind. Now, as you think of it, keep the image in your mind, and while you are doing that, bring about the most positive feeling that you can muster. Try to feel excitement, joy, happiness, gratitude. Imagine that you already have it and try to feel grateful for it in your mind. Do this for 17 seconds. We're going to do it together right now. Okay, think of it. Now feel it. Butterflies in the tummy, tense up a little bit, smile. Breathe a little bit more shallow and quickly, and let's start now. Go. Feeling good. Okay, we're done. You focused on it for 17 seconds. This is called the 17-second method. If you can hold an image and a feeling for 17 seconds, you've already started the universe's momentum in bringing it to you. It's really that quick and easy. Okay, that's enough for today, guys. We don't want to overdo it. Okay, we gotta take it slow and easy. As your homework, I want you to go to this video after this. It is all about your emotions and recognizing them. there's a useful exercise that you can print and complete. So this will help you to practice the ideas that we talked about today. Okay, my most intelligent students, thank you so much for watching this and for coming to class today. You guys did a great job. Tomorrow we shall continue on to the next lesson. So don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you do not miss the next lesson. Have a most wonderful, beautiful, blessed day, and be positive. I love you guys. Mwah.